Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Some days we just have to go back to making some basic sandwiches, but you can spice them up where I'll make them different. Eating home is really good. It's better than eating out. It saves you money. I think the food can be better. It's more healthy. So with my channel, it's not always about recipes, making this and that. Sometimes it's about just making a good sandwich or a good meal, or buying stuff out that's quality, like natural or organic, and making a good meal out of it. We don't have to cook everything from scratch. We don't have to make recipes. We can just go ahead and make like a good sandwich that we like, or our family or kids like. So for today, we got the sesame seed roll. We got smoked turkey breast. If you can't get that in your area, you could always make turkey and then smoke it, or buy turkey breast and then smoke it. We got red roasted peppers, fire roasted, banana peppers, black pepper, and tartar sauce. Tartar sauce is really good. A lot of people only use this for fish, but you can use it on sandwiches to give it a different taste, give it a zing. And in the future, I'm going to be doing like more recipes with tartar sauce to show you can add it to burgers, other sandwiches. So to start, we're going to take this roll, and we're going to put some tartar sauce on the bottom, and then we'll put the meat on. All right, so we put that tartar sauce on. If you don't like tartar sauce, this is not your recipe, and some of the future ones won't be your recipe. But if you love that, it really makes good with sandwiches, subs, hoagies, anything. So we're going to take the turkey breast that's smoked, and I can guarantee you this is going to have a unique taste. So put on what you want, as thick as the sandwich that you want. And now we'll just take it and we'll put on some more tartar sauce. Just spread that around, and then we'll just top it. And this is a sandwich you can make in like 3 minutes or less. And if you have this stuff in your house, this is one of those meals that costs under $10. So it's best to always keep like tartar sauce, keep banana peppers, fire roasted, and you can get many meals out of that. Alright, so take those roasted peppers and slice up some, or if you want it, you could just take them out and just put it on the sandwich. I took the tartar sauce and I spread that around. So just take the peppers and just place as much as you want on there. You definitely want to get a taste of the peppers in every bite. So just put that on there. Next we'll put some banana peppers on. Alright, so we have the roasted peppers on there. Now we're going to go to the banana peppers. So we have these on a plate, and just put them on there. So just put on what you want. Next we'll throw some black pepper on there, and then we'll just put the top on. If you want, you could put more tartar sauce on the top. It's all up to you. Alright, so we have the banana peppers on there. Just take your pepper and actually put on what you want. And that's how you can make a really good smoked turkey sandwich in 3 minutes. Just put the top on. See the sesame seeds there? And we can just cut it. But before we cut it, you can see there, it's definitely oversized. You could use whatever roll you want. But like I said, my channel is not always about making 30-40 minute recipes, doing this and that. You can just take different ideas and make tasteful, savory sandwiches or other meals. Like on my channel, I'm going to bring a variety and a lot more meal ideas. So let's cut this, let's plate this and cut it, and we're done. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, there's your sandwich. It's actually really hard to present this, but you can put on the amount of meat you want or change it up. But you can see how You can see how good that is. So you can't go wrong. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell. I bring you 3 to 5 updates a week. You can find me on Facebook under Danny Franklin Amateur Cook. You could also find me on Instagram, Dansoy Cook. I'll bring you more ideas, more recipes, and other stuff. Be safe, love you, see you soon. Bye-bye. Coming to you in 4K today.